am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way.
Well, good morning. It is absolutely beautiful out here, and there is no taking away. In spring, there's just a certain type of feeling. You love it. It's renewed energy. It's time to go. It's time to get things done. And this pond every morning serves as inspiration. It's been a long winter. I'm glad you came back. Today we're gonna head out and put to service a chain harrow, which should help us clean up trails. We had an epic ice storm up here recently. 13 days, no power, trees and branches down everywhere. Not to mention the fact that we've got about 25 acres that need to be prepped for planting, permanent planting. And that chain harrow is probably going to help out there too. So let me get suited up, get the machine warmed up, and we'll head out back and see what we can get done. Got another beautiful morning in northern Michigan. A little crisp, a little bit of frost first thing, could see my breath. Seen some deer, some turkey. The best thing I saw, however, is this. This is a new tool. This is a, what's this thing called? A chain harrow, that's correct. It's made by American Harrow down in Urbana, Illinois. And I set it up on a skid steer. And this thing has been doing a killer job. A killer job doing what? Good question. I have struggled for years to find a way to pick up sticks. And after we, clear an area, I've tried landscape rakes, I've tried grapples, all sorts of different stuff. This turns out to be the simplest way to do that. So you can pull this behind a tractor. I like it on the front of a skid steer. It basically has three settings. If I flip the mat over, it's on its least aggressive setting. But the way I have it set up now, if I pull in reverse, it's in medium. And if I push forward, it's in most aggressive. And that has to do with the way these teeth lay down and how aggressively they grab stuff. I like it on the skid steer. I think it's a little quicker than on a tractor. I push the debris to the end of the field, and then I can kind of smooth it out as I back up. So anyway, this has been a game changer for me. No longer do I have to ask people to pick up sticks, which is ridiculous. No longer do I have to struggle for hours on end with the grapple or landscape rake. So Oh, the other nice thing is, unlike a landscape rake, you just, on a skid steer, you just pick it right up and all of the debris falls out from underneath it. So, all right, let's run it a little bit and finish tidying this area up. We had a major ice storm recently, and I am just finishing up getting a lot of the debris to the edge of the fields. We are going to be planting about 25 acres this year. So as you look around, you'll see broken branches still, and it'll take some time, but we'll get it all. So, all right, let's put this thing to work. that is cleaning up the storm of 2025, and we're just getting ready to plant about 20 more acres of pasture grasses and wildflowers. That should be happening in May or early June. But this is the basic idea. Got to get all those broken branches off the ground and make room for the planter. The new rake harrow, chain harrow. I am loving that thing. It is making picking sticks up a lot easier, and I'm loving this thing too. This is a new T66 skid steer, and this thing rides awesome. It's strong, it's fast. I love it. It has its purpose. So do tractors. Tractors, in my mind, are for pulling things, and this thing is for picking stuff up and setting it down. So loving it out here. Another beautiful day, and I'm gonna get the rest of this debris cleaned up and put stuff away and go find something else to do. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.